बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatain 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
The Selfish Giant. Once upon a time, there was a giant who had a beautiful garden. Children loved to come and play there every afternoon. One day, the selfish giant returned after a long trip. Seeing the children, he became angry and built a tall wall, saying, "This garden is only mine." Seasons passed, and everywhere spring arrived. Flowers bloomed, birds sang, but not in the giant's garden. It remained cold and lifeless. Then one morning, the giant heard laughter. The children had found a hole in the wall and come back. With them came spring, flowers, birds, sunshine. The giant realized his mistake. He tore down the wall and welcomed the children. From then on, the garden was full of joy forever. Moral: true happiness comes from sharing, not from selfishness.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatain 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.